So I'm about to attempt to build a better sneaker collection than my $10,000 one. But here's the catch. I only have $500 to do this and I can only use Temu. Now haters may say that this is impossible, but I've got China on my side and $500, I'm practically a billionaire on Temu. Just to be clear guys, this is not a sponsored video. I have never used this app before, but we're gonna find out what kind of sneakers we can get. First thing, when you get to the main homepage, you can get up to 90% off. Look, we got more lightning deals, which are ending in 8 hours. Kind of giving me a little bit of anxiety. Women's shoes are from 27 cents. That is ridiculous. I want to know what shoe is 27 cents now. Here we go. Men's shoes from 87 cents. This is wild. Okay, so we've got some very basic looking shoes. All right, we're definitely off to a slow start. Nothing really here that's gonna make a better sneaker collection, except for these Air Bartholomews over here. A pair of white tube socks, some jean shorts, and a polo, and I'm off to a banger fit in these things. Let's just start with some searches because their main homepage is looking pretty whack, I'm gonna be honest. Every good sneaker collection needs a pair of Yeezys, so let's see. Woo! Okay, so they actually got freaking Yeezys on here. Look at this. Never seen this pair of Yeezys before. We definitely need a pair of Yeezy slides. That's just a must for any sneaker rotation. You gotta have a pair of comfy Yeezy slides. Let's just get these. It's 47% off, £4 freaking pounds. We're off to a great start. All right, first pair of shoes in the basket. A pair of foam runners would be nice. Thing is, I've already got all of these colorways. I've got a white pair, I've got a black pair. I need something a little bit crazy, right? We're trying to build a better sneaker collection. This is more like it. This pair of foam runners, we need some crazy ones. Okay, so this is definitely going in the basket. They're a little bit different to regular Yeezy foam runners, but again, we're trying to level this up. We're not just getting regular shoes. Add to cart. Oh, look at these guys. I don't know who's gonna actually know what this pair of shoes is based off of. Back in like 2020, there was a Yeezy 350 V3 sample going around and it looked exactly like this, except they never ended up releasing. This is a pair of Yeezy unreleased 350 V3s. I need to grab myself a pair of these things. Oh, we got some Jordan 4s in the building. These things, oh, they are women's. Oh, okay, so they don't do any men's sizes. Freaking LaMelo Ball basketball shoes. Damn, we got some Nokas. Woo! We got the Travis Scott shoes. Kind of looks like Travis Scott, like PlayStation Dunks, but it's also kind of like a Jordan 1. Hold up, we got the New Balance Adidas shoes. Whoa, what is this? Damn, that looks like a piece of art. They sold 14,000 pairs of these things. What are people saying about them? Funky looking shoes, very comfortable. That's a good sign. I was not expecting comfort to be at the forefront of these. Oh my lord, these things look so crazy. Look at that upper, it kind of looks like veins. Well, that is definitely more than enough pairs. We have maxed out our budget. Let's check out on these things, and I guess we just gotta wait. I don't know how long this is gonna take. Of course, you guys get to just jump straight to when they actually arrive. And here we have them, guys. 2 massive bags of all of the stuff we ordered. So let's find out if we've got a better sneaker collection than what's behind me. So let's pull out the first pair. This is the Adidas Adifoam Superstar, I believe. Wow, okay. They went for 4 stripes instead of 3. We've got an extra stripe and we've got breathability. Way softer than the Adifoam. But of course, the real test is to actually try these things on. I'm actually so surprised that they have these things on Temu. Like, are these that popular? Whole extra stripe on this one over the regular. They feel pretty cozy. All right, what's next? Let's figure that out. Oh, okay. So we've got the Travis Scotts in the building. What? Okay, this is crazy. I have never felt a sneaker midsole this soft. Feels like the Yeezy slide underneath a somewhat Travis Scott looking shoe. Is definitely not leather. It feels like they're definitely trying to make it leather. If you ever wanted to complain about Jordan leather, well, feel this first. It feels like it's made from nothing. Some might say that these look nothing like Travis SB. To that, well, what is this? Clearly, that is paisley print, okay? That midsole though, look at that squish. That is cozy. I feel like they look like there's definitely some dads out there that are rocking these. All right, next up, let's see what we got. This one seems pretty heavy. What is this? Yo, okay, this is the Yeezys. Pretty damn close to a pair of Yeezy 700s. Obviously, this is the Tephra colorway. The padding around the ankle area extra soft. In terms of materials, nothing like leather or suede. Even have boost underneath. Look at that, guys. You can see they've definitely got all of those little dimples that the boost has. Temu, it seems like they're trying to avoid putting the actual branding of the real shoe on these ones. Why are they so flat? They look better on camera. So here we have Morgan's real pair that she got from the last Yeezy day versus this pair. It's like, look here, we've got 4 stripes, 1, 2, 3, 4. But then on the real ones, it's just 3, obviously for Adidas. These ones are way more padded. Do they get away with this just by not putting the Adidas branding on there? That's crazy. I'm trying to build a better sneaker collection than what I have. And now we can be matching. All right, what's next? Ooh, this is the epic dad shoe. Take a look at these. These don't feel much different to a regular pair of, I believe this is the New Balance 530. Is that what this is? It screams fashion, okay? You can see it very clearly on the tongue. So epic pause button dad shoes, let's try them on. The father of all dad shoes. Hey, they're comfortable though. And why do I feel like a father instantly? I'm getting a weird urge that I need to go mow that lawn outside. They feel nothing like New Balances, to be honest. But the father status that they give me, this one feels interesting. Oh, okay, we got the Noctas. This is crazy. Drake's shoes are in the building and they look like straight up school shoes. I'll say something that is really cool is they've added some kind of red metallic material on the inside of it because you can see through all of these holes on the side. I don't know, guys, what you think? You want the Temu Noctas or the Drake Noctas? Drizzy Drake in the building. Back to school version. They look like school shoes, don't they? That air unit, it's softer. It's like they didn't go all the way in. It's like this air unit is literally just a tiny little piece there. The Temus and the Drakes. But yeah, these are, yeah, they're definitely not as comfortable. Gotta be nearing the end of this bag. Okay. This is the Temu special right here. This is crazy. Oh, look at that midsole, bro. Wow, they've actually just used straight up plastic. So these cannot be comfortable. I cannot wait to try these things on. Can you hear that plastic? All right, let's feel it out. Oh, that feels like my spine is compressing with every step. That is so solid. That's crazy. That is solid plastic. Does it even compress at all? That's all my weight. And now it's time for the second bag, the Yeezy slides. Now I've made a couple videos on fake Yeezy slides, so let's see how these things hold up to my expertise. These are extremely light. They feel like it's styrofoam instead of actual foam. Probably not gonna be that comfortable. There's only one way to find out. I bet you like this colorway.
I do actually.
Trying to think of something good to say about these, but they do not feel like Yeezy slides. I mean, they're way lighter, if that means anything. It's quite a nice color. Yeezy slides are pretty undefeated. Ooh, okay, these are interesting. I don't even know what these are supposed to be. Some CPFM Air Forces mixed with some kind of skate shoe. What is up with their midsoles being so soft? This feels nothing like leather, and I also feel like it doesn't look anything like it did on the website. Colors are nice, I gotta say that. That's super easy to get your foot in there. You're just like, now, I'm sure you could lace them up fully, but this is how they come. The DPD shoes, after a long, hard day at work, just kick them off. Next up, oh, this is exciting. This is a custom denim Yeezy 700. Basically, they changed the entire upper to this denim material. This would run me at least a few thousand from the shoe surgeon. I feel like they could have done a little bit better with these in terms of materials. Yo, am I gonna get my foot in here? That is so tight. I cannot move my toes right now. This midsole's pretty soft. Oh, what is this? Like some offcut of material from somewhere. Next up, what do we have here? Okay, we got the first exclusive look at the Yeezy 350 V3. This is pretty much exactly what those leaked images looks like. This was a sample of the Yeezy 700 V3 when they were working on that concept. They've even done the same thing with the midsole, that kind of sample 380 looking midsole with the 350 upper. Not gonna lie, I think this looks pretty sick. They didn't do the worst job with the knit material. They must have made these things off of literally a pit picture online. I wonder if they actually did just put styrofoam in here, because that's what it feels like. Definitely not Boost. I wish they made these things. We deserved the Yeezy 350 V3, and I feel like this could have been it, although plastic on the top is pretty random. Yo, what is this? Oh my god. This is one of the wildest boots I have ever seen. I guess it's like some kind of skull. Can I even walk in these things? This material is definitely not that soft. Like, I don't even know if I can get my foot in here. It stabs you on the way in. This is unwearable. This is so painful. Just standing. Oh, I need to get them off. Almost at the bottom. We got a couple pairs left. Woo! We got the Yeezy Foam Runners, guys, in a wild colorway. Yo, so this is the white, red, and black mixture colorway. This is insanely soft. Look at that. What the hell? This is wild. This colorway kind of goes hard. A little bit big. I mean, way too big. What the hell size is this? Yo, they're comfy though. All right, real pair of foams and Temu foam. Let's go one on one foot, one on the other. Yo, these Temu ones are actually a lot softer. Something about this color, which I'm a big fan of. All right, we got one more pair, I feel like. Let me pull them out. Okay, these are the Travis Scott's. The Travis Scott PlayStation Dunks, and they've wrapped these ones up, so they must be special. Colorway is definitely pretty sick. Very, very flimsy on the midsole. First little try on. Let's see. Super soft. Okay, that's a good fit. Why do they look so small? Not gonna lie, I feel like these would be comfortable for a solid 2 wears, and then that insole is going to get pretty flat and uncomfortable. Texaco, is that a gas station they put on there? Texaco is a gas station, isn't it? They've got someone's Instagram over here as well. I didn't even notice that. And there you have it, guys. So over here on the wall, we got both collections going head to head. All of these pairs, these 2 lines over here, this is the Temu $500 collection, and over there is just some of my legitimate collection, which costs thousands. So the question is, guys, which I need to know down in the comment section, is which one are you taking? Temu or the legitimate one?